Hello traders, how are you? Happy new week, and I wish you also happy new year and a year full of profitable trades. Also with me if you want to stay with me and Bloom FX. So how are you? How was your holiday? I hope that everyone had fun, relaxed. Maybe you have learned something also from what I have told you on the chat. I hope that you watched the weekly analysis and that you understood a little bit how the market may move and what are the conditions and what do I think about the pairs, that what is going to happen in the next week, I mean this week. So I want to stay let's say I want to start like at the school for you to understand how you have to start your week. And this is very important, and I'm saying this for all the people that they don't take classes with me. Maybe this will help you a lot. I hope you can hear me. Say something on the chat if you can hear me. It's very important to hear me about what I have to say. So, normally when you start a new year, and not also on a year, a new week, all the time when you start a new week, you have to go to the calendar. Because if you don't go, it means that you really don't care what's happening on this planet, let's say like this. Okay. So first you have to open the Forex Factory, and I hope that all the people from my group, they have this forexfactory.com. You have here the link, and you go there. You can put your time, okay, the week, and so on. And here you can see everything that is happening on the market. And it's very simple. For example, I just open, okay, in the morning when I open the calendar, I saw that when it's like this with yellow and orange, I call it like a clear sky. So nothing much can happen. It's just that now, let's say that the market can give us a direction. That means the big players, okay, they are putting orders, and it's like this at the beginning of the year. And if I'm not wrong, I think that they are playing 2 or 3 times a year. And when they are placing orders, the market, it's how you say, a little bit sleepy, and then the big moves start. So as you can see, today we have a clear sky and nothing can happen. Tuesday, the same, nothing. Maybe we have here on the GBP the news, but this is with orange, and I don't think that it's gonna move too much the market. So again, after tomorrow, nothing much. We have only Friday some interesting news with the USD, and here it's gonna move a little bit the market because it's with the red flag, and also it's with USD, and USD it's moving very much the market. So as I said, hello guys, because I can see that you are writing here on the chat. So like this you have to start your week. This is the first thing. No, I'm not from Russia, I'm from Romania, but maybe I look like a Russian girl, or maybe my accent, it's like a Russian. So let's move on. So like this, I was saying, so like this you have to start your week. Me personally, I don't trade on Monday. Let's say 80% of the time I don't trade on a Monday, and sometimes Friday, because at the beginning and at the end of the week the market is just showing us where it wants to go. Okay, so take notes, because I will not explain too many times these things, and believe me, they are very useful when you want to become a very good trader. Okay, so I said this with the Forex Factory is the first one, and the second one, my opinion, you can do whatever you want. Monday you don't trade and you wait. And also I said in the weekly analysis, if you look that, I am waiting at least one day to see how the market will move, and like this I can place my orders. Okay, good. And now let's go, let's say for example, where is it, let's take let's take Euro GPY. I love Euro GPY, and I said that as I told you last week, Euro GPY has reached the trend line formed in the last 12 years, from which it rejected here. So now we are waiting on the weekly to see how the price will move. Also, if you look here, I said that judging by the pattern made in all these years, I expect the pair to keep the downward trend. That means the price should go down, and in the coming weeks to test again the value of 120,900. And now if we are going on the chart, and here we have on the 4-hour Euro GPY, I'm trying to make it a little bit bigger for you to see it. Okay, it's very simple, and I think that you remember how to place your resistance and support. And here it's one, here I put it also with the little lines, because it's there are some alerts made on the weekly. That's why I have them here, and also it's very easy to see them and to trade them. So as you can see here, Euro GPY, it's still on the 4-hour on the range zone. And when we have the range zone, sometimes sometimes we don't trade it. Let's say 50-50, depends how the market looks and what the price action gives you. For example, here, and if you look closer on the 4-hour, here Euro GPY created like a support, but in the same time it came down, broke the support, and now it's trying maybe to retest again this area. And if it's going to retest again this area, maybe I'm expecting the price to come down here, or maybe to come down again to retest 125,736. We don't know, but I think it's a little bit deeper, 125, and it can be here at this wick. Maybe the price will fall to this wick. Okay, so keep that in mind. Oh, let me take this out. Maybe I will not stay too long with you, because also I have a lot of things to do in the same time. I'm speaking with you in the chat, and also I'm preparing the lessons for the guys that I'm taking courses with them, and so on. I can see that you have also some questions for Euro USD. You think can stay on the zone 1.215? Okay, let's watch Euro USD, and then we're gonna come back, and then can see for a bullish. My opinion is that I suggest you don't know exactly what is going to happen right now. If the price is going to break this area, because as you can see here, the price created like a support and here like a resistance, and if the price on the daily, I'm speaking, if it's gonna break this one, then the price may come down to retest again this area. You don't know, we have to wait. On the weekly, maybe this one, again, I say maybe if we have momentum. I don't know how to explain it, because these kind of words, and they are the part of the lessons with the students. But if, let's say, if we have momentum means that if the market can really give us a direction and the price really moves because of the news, and because the price is moving because we are in New York session and so on. So maybe the price can have momentum and break this area, but in the same time it can reject this zone at 1.21500, and from here to come back and to fill this wick. It's very important, and if you take classes with me, you will learn why and how the price they are feeling, not feeling, how you say, they are when they are going up, let's say they are filling this week. I don't know how to, I will try to translate it. That means that the price will come again to retest again this area. So in this moment, I don't know what to tell you, because you have to wait. First of all, you have another 1 hour for the 4-hour candle to close. Okay, you have 58 minutes and you have to see. It's very simple. First, you don't have to rush. The second, why you are in this trade, Eric? Because you have also to answer. You have to put millions of questions when you open the chart. I mean, it's not like, oh my God, today it's Monday, let's start to trade. It's not like this. You have to think that this is not a game. This is a business where you can make money, and you can make a lot of money, and you can lose money, and you can lose a lot of money, blowing your account. So you have to be very careful, and you have to take it like exactly, I said correctly, like a business. And you have to put questions. Why the price is going there? Why the price is rejecting this area? And when you put questions, you can put it on the paper. In that moment, you will have also the answers. Maybe because here the price can reject, because we have this area where the price again rejected. We have a support. We have this week and rejected again. We have again this week, and so on. And maybe sometimes, because you have to do back testing, believe me, I'm saying this to you, and have a note, because it's the beginning of the year, and I said that maybe I'm gonna give you some little tips. So when you have these kind of things like rejections, maybe you have to put these questions: why the price did that? And maybe you have to do a back testing. Go, let's say, on the 21 of December 2020 at 12 o'clock, okay, my time, I don't know your time, and you can go to the Forex factory and check what happened there that the price rejected. So like this you can do your analysis, not saying that I see here Euro USD at 1.21 and let's have I don't know, I have a feeling that the price may, I don't know, let's have a sale because I see that the price is going down. It's not like this, okay? So again, I say take it as a business. Try to make your trading plan, and if you don't know what this means, trading plan, you have Google. The trading plan, I'm doing it only with my students, but in the same time you can find something similar on the Google, and there you can see some examples of a trading plan, and you really have to respect that thing, okay? And I am a day trader. Maybe you wanted to say where use price action. Where is very good to how you say, to trade with price action, because price action is very simple. As you can see, I used only one line, which is a support and then the resistance at the same time. This is on the 4 hour, and if I'm doing like this very small, I mean this is the price action, what the price is doing like this, empty, without any how you say indicators and things that may help you, like Fibonacci or Ichimoku or trend line or so on, okay? This is very useful, and like price action, it's like the base of your trading journey, okay? What do you say there? And in the best day for me, it's a day when see the good level for a break or a rejection. Very good. So you have to look for this. It's I don't want to say that it's simple, but it's how you say, for me, I'm speaking about me, it's not that it's very simple, but now because I have so many hours in front of the computer, I can see some things without using some indicators, but in the same time I use them because it gives me a better confirmation. So here, about coming back to Euro JPY, here we have the chart on the 1 hour, and we still have 53 minutes until the 4-hour candle will close. When you are doing your analysis and when you are trying to find support and resistance, or maybe small zones, because you can call them also zones, here we have like multiple touches. I call them like this because they really are. Here we have one rejection, here we have one, but in the same time price had momentum and went up. Here we have rejection, so multiple touches, multiple touches, multiple touches, and so on. here, if you remember at the beginning of the discussion when I said that maybe the price created here like a support, came up, retest again this area, and then the price can come down to retest again this zone, or maybe if it's gonna have momentum, then the price is gonna come back down to 126, let's say 100, okay, to retest again this zone. And I'm saying this, and also the price went down because, as you can see, we have a very beautiful and clean candle. And I'm saying this because all the time you have to look on the left to see the market structure, the candles, how they look. And if you how do I say, all the time I say that the candles, they can tell you a story. Okay, I don't say now that because here the price is rejecting, and now let's take a sell. I don't say take a sell because at this moment I don't trade with real money, and also because it's Monday. But when we will have the possibility, I don't know, maybe it's going to happen tomorrow, maybe we're going to have a real trade, I mean with real money, when I say, okay guys, in the same time we take the same trade. And for example, tomorrow, if the market will give me a very good direction, we're gonna have a buy or a sell together, okay? And here it's only 1 hour. Let's go on the 30-minute. And on the 30-minute, as you can see, the price, it's showing me the same thing, rejecting this zone, and maybe it's gonna come again to this area where, as you can see, we had multiple touches. And again, I say, if it's going to have momentum, then the price may break this zone. And for indicator, I use what is that, 50, 100 and 200 for my confirmation trend, not for to get an entry. EMA, okay. EMA, yes, they are good, but you have to know how to read them well. And yes, they can give you sometimes a very good confirmation, but let's say, depends also when you use this indicator, on the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and so on. Because these ones, I can say that they are very useful when you trade on the 30-minute and 15-minute. Also, when you are on the 15-minute chart, I can say that you have very small confirmations, and 5 minutes and 1 minute, you really don't have to look at them, because they really don't give you a good confirmation. They are just, I call them noise, okay? To have a very good trade and to have a profitable trade, first of all, you have to do what I told you with the Forex Factory. Second, you must have your trading plan in front of you, okay? And then to check what pairs do you trade, and then to see and to catch the best opportunities. Why I'm saying that you don't have to trade every day? Why do I have to say that you don't have to trade 24 hours a day? Because you need volume, and when you need volume, you have to check also on the Forex Factory and also on Google, because we are very lucky with Google in these days, because you can find everything. So you go there and put some questions or write something which is I don't know, what do you want to know? For example, I don't know, about Euro JPY. Maybe you want to use some new indicators, like our friend here, Eric, he's using EMAs. So maybe you want to know what they are and so on. But there are a lot of things then that you can find them on the Google these days, including the trading plan. So what I'm saying, that I was saying that you don't have to trade all the day, and you must find the days and the hours when you have when the market is volatile. It's very simple. When the market is moving, does anybody knows? You can write me here on YouTube on the message. I really want to see if somebody knows when the market moves, and you exclude the Forex Factory. I'm really curious if somebody knows when, and not only when we have news. Do you know? I mean, come on, you all are traders, so I think it's a very simple question, and you have a very simple answer. And if you don't know it, I will tell you. When the market moves, it's at the open and the close of the market. For example, what bearish maybe? No. The market moves London session, at the beginning of the London session. Okay, leave the, yes, it's one of the good answers, but at the London session, New York session, and Asia session. My time, it's, I don't know, 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. When the London session open, the market moves. And at that moment, it's very simple to catch pips. That's why I said you don't have to be at 11, at 12, at 1, at 2, at 3, at 4, at 5. All the hours you have to be on the market to trade. No. Like this, you can be profitable. Come when it's more convenient for you. Maybe in your country and at your time. Very good. Usually when more than one market is opening in the same time. Yes, perfect. This is the answer. Bravo. So when the market opens, the pairs, and in the same time you have to know the pairs, because you don't say, I trade GU because I like GU, but I don't know what is doing GU and why it's moving GU, and at what hour it's moving, and with which pairs it's moving, and so on. You have to know everything about that pair. Why it's moving, at what hour, with which pairs, and so on. GU, for you to be simple, it's GBP USD. So you have to find some pairs, because some other pairs, they are not moving at the London session, or maybe at the Asia session, and so on. So it's more complicated than you think. Don't say now that, let me ask Madi, maybe what it's doing now, Euro USD. But maybe Euro USD at this hour, my time, 15, 17 minutes, maybe the price is not moving. Maybe it doesn't show me anything, because there is nothing that can happen with Euro USD. Now you understand why I'm saying that you don't have to trade every day all the time, because there are some hours that they are dead and you don't, I mean, I want to say that's why you are losing. Who is losing? Because you are playing at the wrong time. You have to play and you have to be in that moment, in that perfect moment when the market is moving. And when the market is moving, it's very simple. You have the Google and you can check there when the market is moving, and it's gonna give you, I don't know, London session, New York session. And there are also some other tips that at what is the time now, 15:18, I think at 2 o'clock the market is moving. I mean, 1 hour and 20 minutes ago at 2 o'clock the market is moving, or around 1:30 and 2 o'clock, something like this, that half an hour the market is moving. Or again, when the 4-hour candle it's closing. Sometimes the 4-hour candle also, it's about the structure, and also it's about what happened in that week, and also about what's happening during that day. On the 4 hours, sometimes at 12 o'clock, that candle, it's moving faster and it's bigger than the next candle, like it happened here. Okay, you see, this candle, it's very small, but this one, the candle that it closed at 12 o'clock, it's very big. So there are some tips that you have to find them. Okay, if you can find these little things, you have to search all the time. Even if you take signals, because maybe you can be smarter than the guys that you are taking signals, because maybe you are not taking, and I understand that sometimes you took signals, not from me and from some other guys from internet, and you lost some money. I'm very honest with you, and I said that when I give signals on the green chat, that means that I'm playing also my money. And if I'm playing my money, I don't want to lose. That means that if you are here with me like a family, that means that I care about you and I don't want you to lose. I want you to make money in the same time with me, even if I'm giving you signals, okay? Or if you are taking classes with me, or if you are using the new platform with the robot and so on. I'm doing this one, and I told you I call it like a business. At the beginning I didn't think that it's gonna be like this, and how do you say, the people is gonna appreciate my work, and I can see that my channel is growing bigger and bigger, and that makes me very happy. And I did it just to see how the things will go, and I can see that I'm creating here like a small family, and the things are growing, that which is makes me very happy. And I really want to help people to make money, and I really want to teach you some things, because you know very well, and I know very well, that it's very, very difficult to trade, especially when you don't know all these little tips, because even if you're going to read 10 books about Forex, maybe it doesn't give you that little things that will help you. or maybe I don't know. There are a lot of things to explain in Forex for you to be profitable, because if you think at the big institutions, they are very smart and they are not trading every day. Believe me, they are playing twice a year. Okay, they are doing big stuff there, okay? But when they are trading, they are very sure. And maybe they will trade again when they didn't complete, let's say, the trades that they put them before. But they are very smart. They are not doing every day, let's do this, let's do that. My God, let's make Euro JPY going up or down and so on. Because this is not a war. This is something very simple. Here we have discipline. And if the market can give us discipline, we must be like this in the same time. And if we know how to wait, believe me that you can do money. And I'm saying this to you because if you really want to succeed, and I don't say that you have to make millions from Forex, because maybe you can make millions if you are profitable in a few years, maybe 10 years, I don't know. But you can have a very beautiful and calm life that, let's say, you don't have, how you say, let's say like the small problems. Oh, I have the bill for the phone, I have to pay the rent of the apartment, now it's coming, how you call it, for the car. You know what I mean. You have to pay, again, it's like not like a rent, I don't know how you call it. For your car, I have to pay to the bank and so on. And you will have money to pay all these little things. And in the same time, maybe you have money to go in a beautiful holiday, or maybe to buy something to your wife or to your kids, and so on. It's better to win money than to lose, okay? And I had this little, let's say, conversation with you. Leasing, bravo, thank you. I don't have a car in leasing, so I don't have it, the word in my head. Thank you so much. So I said all these things because it's the beginning of a new year. I really want you to succeed and to make money with me or without me. I don't care. I mean, I don't care for the people that they want to live and not to be a part of this beautiful team, like a small family, I call it, because I love it when I wake up in the morning and you say, hey, good morning, and me in the same time, and let's see what we are doing and so on. And if you don't take classes with me, never mind. I mean, maybe some of you don't have money, or maybe you just did it before, or maybe you don't want, and so on. But in the same time, I can explain some little things and I can give you some tips, and like this you can learn how to trade this on this market. So also me, I was how you say, I was losing money, and I lost some accounts, and I was very sad, and I thought that it's the end of my life. But at one day I said stop. If I want to be a part of this journey, I have to start to learn, and I must have how you say, I must have like this, what I told you, a trading plan, and I have to be very honest with me, and I must have like a strict program and so on. And believe me that my life changed, and I want you the same, and I want you to trade and to be profitable and to really make money and to enjoy that money, maybe to invest them or maybe to buy something for you, because it's a very, very beautiful feeling. How much for the class? I will maybe, my website, I will put it here on the I will leave it here on the message. Wait. Okay. Go on my website, and there you have all the details, what you're gonna learn, when we have a free time, and so on. When we'll take when will the next group class take place again? I have a group class, but they will finish in 1 week. So in about 1 week, I'm gonna have a free space. So you just have to look on the website, and there you have how you say, all the details. And if you want to be my students and to work together and to explain you some things, then you can send me email, and or you can write me on how you say, on the Instagram. There you have Blumefix Signals, and also on my Instagram, Madi Blumefix, and I will answer you, and we can do some beautiful things together. What I wanted to say something else. Now, as you can see, the market, it's not moving how I wanted. You see, imagine if I was putting here a sell. You have to wait all the time. You have to wait, and you have to find that perfect time to take that trade, because believe me that there are a lot of people that they are losing money, and I really want you to succeed and to make money. Even if you make $10 and you go and buy something, I don't know, like a juice or like a t-shirt or I don't know, something, I'll be very happy. It's a very big satisfaction. Okay, so I am waiting for you in the group chat. For those that they are watching me and they want to learn more and to be part of this beautiful group at Blumefix Signals, you can find the link on the Instagram and on Twitter, and I think everywhere if you Google it. And There you will see that people are putting questions. I answer, I give you some little tips. I can show you how the market moves or what I do, and when I'm trading with my real money, I'm putting the signals on the green chat, and believe me, this is going to happen very soon. And remember that I said that I am waiting at least one day to have the confirmation. Okay, if you remember, I said this in the weekend when I did the analysis, that I'm waiting at least one day to see what the market gives me, where is the price, and how do I have the possibility to have a sell or a buy. And remember what I said, that I love and I want to make only 100 pips a week, which is amazing, and there are a lot of pips because we have 4 weeks. That means 400 pips. And starting from this year, I don't want to increase the pips because this is not my wish, let's say like this. I will increase my lot size, and I will keep the same amount of pips, and you can calculate if you want with a lot size of 1 with 400 pips how much money you can make a month, and so on. Please don't overtrade and don't play with your money, because they are very hard to make them, and as I said, that money are not growing in trees, and we have to work for money. And if we have this possibility with Forex, let's take it, let's embrace it, and let's understand better what's happening in the market, and like this to be very profitable. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really don't see anything that really can happen right now in this moment. Now we still have 24 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and I told you already that this candle at 12, that it closed at 12, it moved very beautifully, and it broke this area, even if it closed around this zone where you see that the price created like a support, but it came down because the price had momentum. And in the same time, you see here on the left side, we had a very clean candle. So in this moment, I don't see really nothing to trade, and when I will trade, I will tell you. So okay, the price is doing what I said. It's going to retest again this area, and maybe it's going to come here. If it's going to be momentum, boom, the price is going to come down to 126. We have to wait. You can play, okay, it's simple. You can play with demo. Do you have demo? If you have demo, play with demo until your fingers will fall. Play with demo. Why you have to play with real money? When you are very sure, and even when you take signals, play with real money, but you have to be very sure, and you have to trust that person, and so on. So I don't want to say that I'm the best. in trading now, or I am profitable, I can say. I'm very calm. I am very addicted to this job. I really love what I'm doing. I can say that I'm consistent because I'm not trading too much. I am trading only what I see, and I'm sure 100%. And I'm taking the best possibilities from the market to make money, because I want to make money, not to lose money, because I lost already a lot of money. So in this moment I don't see nothing much, but as the price is moving, I can see that Euro GBY, it may continue to go down. There are a lot of possibility for you to check how the price is moving. And if you look here, Euro GPY, it's like in a channel, okay? So this is, you have to think that the price it's moving like, how do I say for you to be easier to understand? The price is moving like a ball, okay? So it's doing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and now we are waiting down. Maybe it's going to come to this area, to do like this again, come up here again, and maybe down. We don't know. But you have to know that the market is moving like a ball, up, down, even if we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. And here, when I put the trend lines here, you can see that the market structures show us that the price, it's in a downtrend on the 30-minute, and it's in a channel, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't overtrade. I'm waiting for you on the group chat, okay? And there you can put me more questions and so on, because here all the people I can see that they didn't send too many messages, because they are very how you say, attent. They were very I forgot the name of the word. I will Google it and send it on the group chat. Yeah, I think you understood me. You were very interested about what I'm saying here, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Again, I said don't overtrade and don't blow your account, because it already started the year, and you must have some money there in your account to make more money, okay? And try to do what I said before today in this video, and maybe it's going to help you. And I hope that this session of today was useful, because also I love to show people that you can be very, how you say, very calm, and in the same time you can make a lot of money, because you don't have to rush all the time. And think about it at when it's the best time for you to trade. London session, New York session, or Asia session, okay? Because you don't have to trade and to do stupid things, okay? I'm saying this to you because concentrated, bravo. Christina, she's helping me a lot. Thank you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I am waiting for you in the group chat, and we can continue everything, okay? So thank you. Bye.